Hey, welcome to Ridge Kids Online.
We hope that you enjoy this video.
Forever friend. Everywhere I look, I see Jesus is amazing. Everywhere I go, I know Jesus is amazing. Everybody clap your hands. Jesus is amazing. Jesus is amazing. Amazing. The stars that shine, the sun so bright, the mountains high. He's amazing. The ocean wide, the big blue sky. Amazing. So come on, move your feet. Everybody dance with me. We don't have to be afraid. You can sing your fears away. Yeah, I'm telling you the truth. There is nothing he can't do. Cause his love will never end. He is my forever friend. Everywhere I look, I see Jesus is amazing. Everywhere I go, I know Jesus is amazing. Everybody clap your hands. Jesus is amazing. Jesus is amazing. Amazing. The stars that shine, the sun so bright, the mountains high. He's amazing. The ocean wide, the big blue sky, both day and night. He's amazing. You know what time it is?
It's time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. Meet with you at the Wonder Clubhouse. Meet with you. That should do it. Oh, hi friends. Peyton here. I just finished putting together this cool ramp. First, the green ball will go down this ramp and hit the orange thingy, which will set off a chain reaction that will send the red ball all the way down the tracks to the goal. It's going to be so amazing. Do you want to see it? Ready, set, go. Yes! That was amazing! My favorite part was when the red ball sent all the way down to the goal.
Who?
It's Ollie!
Hello, Peyton. Who? Is that zooming coming from you?
Yes, Ollie. This yellow thingy swung down and hit the red ball like a hammer and made zoom down the ramp. It was so powerful and amazing.
Powerful ramps are amazing indeed. But I know someone who takes the power lead. Here's a story just for you. Listen to this. Just follow me through. Hoo!
Follow me through, follow me through, who? Always got a Bible story for me and you.
Well, hello, friends. I am Aisha. Whew, is it windy today? Welcome to my cupcake food truck. Do you want to see my latest creation? Ta-da! Look, they have little flags, which reminds me of today's story. If you're ready, on the count of 3, yell, "Tell me a story." 1, 2, 3. Tell me a story. Okay, so today's true story from the Bible is about someone who did something amazing. But before I tell you about it, let's practice our "That's amazing" face. Because when you see something that is truly, incredibly amazing, your face does this. Okay, now it's your turn. Show me your "That's amazing" face. Yes, that's it. Well, the person I want to tell you about today made a lot of people make their "That's amazing" face. It started in a boat at night. Look, there's Jesus and his friends, the disciples. It was really late at night, and Jesus wanted to rest. Let's all yawn and pretend to go to sleep. Good job! You can now open your eyes. It looks like Jesus went to sleep too. But Jesus wasn't going to be sleeping for long because all of a sudden, it started to rain. Can you do this with me? And then it started to rain harder. Do this with me. And harder. And it was so windy. Whoa. And then the waves were getting bigger and bigger. Can you rock like we're on the boat? This made Jesus' friends feel afraid. So they went to wake up Jesus. And this is what Jesus did. He held out his arms and said to the big storm 2 words. Jesus said, "Be still." And the storm stopped. The wind and the rain and the waves all stopped. What? That's amazing. Everyone make your "That's amazing" face with me. Yes, it was amazing. And Jesus' friends were amazed too. Jesus is so amazing and so powerful, he can stop a storm. Only Jesus can do that. Jesus is amazing. Did you like the story? If you did, give it 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. Hey there, Ollie. Tell me, who is amazing?
Jesus is amazing. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who is amazing?
Jesus is amazing. That's the truth, friends. See you next time. Bye.
So there's your story. And it's all true. Jesus calmed a storm and showed his power too.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Hoo, hoo.
Wow, the disciples were afraid of the storm, so Jesus stopped the storm. Jesus is amazing. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it? Got it! Good. These ramps are amazing, but Jesus is even more amazing. See you next time. Bye!
Everyone who heard him was amazed. Luke 2:47. Everyone who heard him was amazed. Luke 2:47.
you enjoyed this video. Now, parents, if you would like to kind of talk about this a little bit more with your kids, please head over to our website. There's more resources, devotionals, and a discussion guide.
And if it's your first time visiting, don't forget to click and subscribe so that you can get updates when new videos are added.
That's it. We hope you have a great week. Bye!